How to make arrows in Terraria. So first, let's try to make some wooden arrow, which is the base ammo for all bows. So you just simply need to find a workbench or craft one if you don't have any. Then you will need one wood or any type of wood and a stone block right here to craft 25 wooden arrows. So let's craft some. And as you can see, we now crafted some wooden arrows. But you can also make other type of arrows like flaming arrows by using 10 wooden arrows and one torch. Also, you can craft some jester arrows, which has a slightly higher damage than the flaming arrow. So the flaming arrow has 7 range damage, but the jester arrow has 10 range damage. So you will need 10 wooden arrows for it and one fallen star. You can also find some hellfire arrows, which are usually dropped in the underworld, unlike vases and chests right here. As you can see, this one has some hellfire arrows in it. And once you reach hard mode, you can find the item called Endless Quiver, which acts as a single item that provides unlimited basic arrows. So as you can see right here, so to craft it, you will need 3,996 wooden arrows. And that is how you basically make arrows in Terraria.